Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Sam and I do tech stuff. In this video, I finally start and finish my first fully custom mechanical keyboard build. I think it's quite interesting. I got a 980 mini layout because I just can't get rid of the numpad. I really use it every day. So I hope you guys like this content and let's get into the build. Okay, so for the keyboard I'm using for this build, it's a 980 mini layout. So I actually got this kit from Taobao. You can also check out the links in the description below. They have a Lazada website. So this is the PCB. It's black and 5-pin hot swap, and it actually is powered by QMK and it supports VIA software support, so you can configure the RGB and the functions of the keys. And then it comes with the acrylic casing, as you can see right here. I think it's pretty nice for the build. For the stabilizers, I'll be using some Durock V2 clear stabilizers from Click and Collect. They actually are modded and lubed already, so you can check the links again in the description below. For the keycaps, I'll be using these keycaps sent over by Echo. It's their Echo keycap double shot PBT keycaps. This is their, I believe, neon keycap set. It comes with around 157 or 159 pieces. And I think it looks nice. The double shot is really nice on this. Thank you to Echo for sending it over. You can check out their shop in the description below. And for the keycaps, I actually chosen Gateron Milky Black for this build. I got this from Brandon Clicks. You can check him in the links in the description below. These are again looped with Quacktop's 205 grade 0 and spring loop with 105. I'm going to be installing the stabilizers first, and I'll be using some electrical tape for the connection points and underneath the stabilizer to dampen the sound. So this was actually my first time using screw-in stabilizers, but all you have to make sure is you take your time and you make sure that all of the holes go in the right places and you screw it in correctly. I did go through some problems, but I'm actually very happy how these Durock V2 stabilizers sound like and feel. So after putting the stabilizers in, I'll now install the acrylic case. I'm just going to screw everything together, and then we can try putting in the switches and test it out. I actually got the acrylic case for this keyboard a few weeks ago and I completely forgotten how to reassemble it, so I did a few times, and then after some time I actually remembered how and I got it all back together. So I just assembled everything. I tested the stabilizers and the RGB is really nice. I'm just going to show you guys. This is what the RGB looks like. I think it's really nice. So now I'm going to put in all of the switches and then we'll put in the keycaps and we can look at the final review. Let's go. Now putting in the switches didn't actually take a lot of effort. You just have to make sure that all of the pins on your switches are straight so there won't be any problems down the line. If your pins are bent, you can actually bend them back carefully and make sure that they don't break on you. Installing the keycaps was a breeze. Again, I really love the color scheme and the feel of this double shot PPT keycaps sent over by Echo. So this is the final result. It looks pretty nice in my opinion. I really love the frosted acrylic matched with these neon keycaps. They really contrast each other and I think that the RGB looks amazing. Thank you for coming on this journey with me on my first fully custom mechanical keyboard build. Now let's take a look at the sound and wrap up this video. So yeah, that was the whole building process from start to finish of my new fully custom mechanical keyboard. It's a 980 mini layout. I think it's quite interesting because I really need the numpad. Again, if you guys are interested in anything mentioned or used in this video, links will be down in the description below. And that is it for this video. I really like how the keyboard sound like, and I really love the keycaps used on it, and the whole set really looks really nice. So yeah, you can leave a like if you like this video, dislike this video if you didn't like it, you can subscribe if you haven't, there's more content coming your way, and as always, thanks for watching, goodbye guys.